If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of Pixel 6a. This is the unboxing of the super fast and secure Google phone Pixel 6a. It is powered by Google Tensor for fast performance. The battery can last over 24 hours and with extended battery saver it can last for up to 72 hours. According to Google, it can charge for hours in just a few minutes. It is capable of intelligent photography for best quality shots according to Google. It comes with IP67 protection, so it is water resistant. There is an M2 security chip and Google Tensor Security Core gives Pixel an extra layer of hardware security, so it's resilient to attacks. You may unlock it with just a touch of your fingerprint. Pixel 6a comes with the same chip fitted on Pixel 6 Pro. Google Tensor makes apps launch fast, pages and images load quickly and everything runs smoothly. It is capable of taking good pictures even at night with limited light. You can take photos that capture authentic skin tones. It has a 6.1-inch FHD and OLED display, that it is up to 60 Hz. It has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. There are 2 rear cameras, one 12.2 MP wide and a 12 MP ultra-wide with a PDAF sensor. The front camera is 8 MP. This particular phone is in charcoal color, but it also comes in sage and chalk. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.